Hi, in front of me I have ULEFONE ARMOR X5 and I'm gonna show you how to change the wallpaper on this device. Let's start by opening the settings. To do it, swipe left on the screen, like that, and tap on the settings icon. In settings, let's select display, then tap on wallpaper, and here let's select wallpapers. Now we can scroll through the list of wallpapers right here at the bottom. Tap on the one you like to select it, for example this one. Now tap on set wallpaper, and here you can select to set it on home screen, lock screen, or both. Let's select home screen and go back to home screen. As you can see, the wallpaper changed. You can also change the wallpaper another way, and to do it, just press and hold on the free space on the screen, on the home screen. This menu will appear. Here select wallpapers, select wallpapers or photos, whatever you like. And here again we have a list of wallpapers. Let's tap on the one you like, for example this one. Then tap set wallpaper, home screen, and as you can see, the wallpaper changed. And that's how you change the wallpaper on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.